Hey, it's the Bizfoot. Today we want to go over Facebook and Instagram and application of artificial intelligence within advertising. So let's go over setup here. And this is our Meta Ads account. So being in marketing, AI has been a gargantuan improvement for advertising in terms of efficiency and how should I say this, making the playing game, making the game more fair. That's right. By that I mean basically in the past you had to do a lot of A/B testing. I mean, you could be great in understanding the fundamentals of running ads, but the thing is, if you didn't have a big team constantly doing 100 different A/B tests with different texts and images, I mean, you were going to underperform against an account with a bunch of people that could basically sit there all day and do A/B testing. So AI actually helped the average guy that's running ads, or a individual contractor that's working for companies as an advertiser. AI has really helped them out. So I kind of want to go over some of the things AI has improved within Meta. We're going to do a video on this down the road for Google as well. But here's basically a quick rundown. So if you're new to ads and you want to see how AI has improved advertising and how to apply it, we're going to go ahead and do that right here. So we're in the main campaign manager here on Meta. Of course, it's still facebook.com, but it's adsmanager.facebook.com. And you basically get a business profile once you start a page, a Facebook page. If you guys need a demonstration on that, we can also do a video on how to make an optimal page as well and get it ranking and even helping you get traffic to your business. But let's continue here. So we're in the main ad manager page once you make your ad account, and this is going to be linked with a business account as well. The business account is basically controlling all of your assets like pages, pixels, and everything. The ads manager is a portion of that, but it's basically where you're going to be constructing all of your ads and campaigns, ad sets, and all three of those. So we got campaigns, ad sets, and ads. If you're new to ads, ad sets are basically the subsets to campaigns, and ads are the subsets to ad sets. So let's just do a demonstration here. Once you start a new campaign, you can do awareness, which is good for just getting eyeballs on your ad, traffic if you're looking to get clicks on a website, engagement if you just want literally people engaging with your ad, liking it, clicking on it, calling it. Leads, if you're looking, you can actually attach a form to your ads where people can fill out information, and that counts as a lead for things like sales, real estate, whatever. App promotion if you're promoting an app, and sales if you have an e-commerce brand and you're pointing to a site like Shopify. Let's just go ahead and do a simple awareness though. This is probably the most basic one, and keep in mind awareness ads work for most other things. For example, you can run an awareness ad for your Shopify product and still get clicks and sales. It just probably won't be as optimized over time. So this is the ad campaign setting. Here you got A/B testing. We keep this off. Advantage campaign budget. Keep this off. This if you have multiple campaigns, this is actually an AI aspect. It will balance your campaigns. Let's say you have 3 campaigns and you have a $100 per day budget. It will basically fluctuate your budget between the multiple ad campaigns and allocate it to the ones that's most efficient and giving you the best results. All right. So once we got this going, usually we keep this off. Let's do Bizfoot campaign. Let's go to next. All right, so here you have your controls on how many times you want individuals to see your ad, your daily budget. We'll stick with $5. Audience controls. So here we're going to start seeing the first aspects of AI, and the first is Advantage Plus Audience. Here, basically, this switch controls the original settings where you manually input your audience, or you run Advantage Audience. Advantage Plus is AI. Basically, you set some parameters. You can add some specific interests, and this is a good idea. For example, if you're selling, if you're advertising furniture, you might want to pick a demographic, get some interests here pertaining to that. And then the Advantage Plus audience will basically use AI and analyze user behavior across, a billion users on Instagram and websites and Facebook to basically match your best customer, and it will learn over time. Placements also has its Advantage Plus, which is also AI here. We like to keep this one on and let this run and let AI find the best audience, but usually for our purposes, we like to go with a manual placement and just select Facebook and Instagram. Not the audience network is their websites. So for example, your ad might appear on, life.com, lifestyle.com, Tinder, whatever, anywhere that's partnered with them. So we prefer Facebook. Sometimes we just go with Facebook, or sometimes we just go with Instagram, depending on the product. For example, like real estate, better with Facebook. If you're selling shoes, Instagram works too. So kind of depends on your demographic.